Good morning, class. Today we will discuss one more problem related to truth table. Here is given the expression. We have to verify that it follow the contradiction, tautology or contingency. Okay. So first of all, we draw the truth table. Here is variable, only two variables. So we write here A, B. Okay. Write the combinations, that is 4. These are the combinations of A and B. After this, we find the A and B. A and B means simple, it follow the multiplication sign. Okay. A and B. This expression, it follow the multiplication sign. So A 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. After this, next is the A and B negation. So A and B negation, it's a A and B column. So negation, just opposite the value. 0 means 1, here 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. After this, here is the A and B or negation A and B. So we have to perform OR operator these two columns. So we write here A and B or negation A and B. Okay. OR operator just perform addition, simple binary addition. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So here in this column all ones are present, means it perform the term tautology. We can say that it verify as a tautology. In tautology, all ones are present in truth table column. So here you see all ones are present here. So it's a tautology. You can write it's a tautology. Okay. All ones are present here in this column. It's a tautology. Clear? Example is A and B and negation of A. We have to draw the truth table of this expression. And here is two variable A and B, form the combinations 1 0 1 1. After this, we write A and B. Okay. For A and B and operator, so it performs simple multiplication is 0 0 0 1. Okay. After this, negation of A, this column negation of A here is 0 0 1 1. So negation of A is 1 1 0 0. Okay. After this, A negation means this column or sign, and sign and simple multiplication. You can write here A and B and negation A. Negation A. Okay. So here 0 1 is 0. 0 1 0. 0 0 is 0. 1 0 is 0. So it perform which term? We can say that it's a contradiction. It's a contradiction. Why contradiction? Because in truth table column, all zeros are present here. So it performs the contradiction. We can say that it's a contradiction. Clear? All zeros are present in the truth table column. Clear? Next example is A or B and A. We have to construct the truth table for this expression. So first of all, we write the expression variables A and B, write the combinations. After this, we perform first of all A or B. A or B means simple addition. So 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. After this, we have to perform A column and A or B column, this column. AND operator, performing AND operator. AND operator means simple multiplication. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. See, in this column, which term we can use here? We can use here contingency. Why? Why we are using here contingency? Because in this truth table column, it's a combination of 0 and 1s. So we are using here, we can say that it's a contingency. It's a combination of 0 and 1. Okay.